Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Overwatch not loading or not launching. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Battle.net and then select Overwatch and then just press scan and repair. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, and so just begin the scan, wait for a few minutes, and then try to launch the game. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to your files that you installed the game. For me, it's local disk C, program files x86, then Overwatch, and then you need to go to retail here, and then right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure that these two options are on. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as a administrator, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to go to display settings here and make sure that your layout, scale and layout is on recommended, and on display resolution is recommended as well. And if the problem persists, then go to tasks and open up task manager and close the apps that has overlaid, like Spotify, OBS, Steam, or Discord. It sometimes can cause the problem, but make sure to close the apps that you really know and do not basically the apps that basically do not crash your computer. And if the problem persists, then try to update your operating system. So on search, just write check for updates and then press on check for updates here. And if there is an update for you that need to be downloaded and installed, please do so and then restart your computer. And same thing with your GPU, depending of course on what GPU you're using. If you're using NVIDIA, you can open up GeForce Experience here. Same thing with AMD. I believe there is AMD Radeon. Go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest version here. And also, basically, on home here, you can go to details here and this little cog icon here, and make sure to on display mode to select windowed. Sometimes this thing causes your launching problems here. So test it out, these options here, and look if the problem persists or not. But if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.